you so much. Good morning. Good morning for the thumbs up. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Hi. Hi, Mark. Hello, Mark. Morning, Mark. Ice cream, coffee. Hi. Hi. Hi for the 9 people watching. Zunaka. Hi, Zunaka. Hello. Hello. 16 people. Hi. For the 16 people here. Thank you so much. Mga kalagab. OA. Ang OA.
O tapos A. OA.
Thank you for the 20 people watching.
OA.
Ano, Pancit Canton.
Tsaka.
Tsaka.
Thumbs up.
Pancit Canton.
Tsaka.
Ginny Bicas.
Ginny B.
Erin Igor. Hi, Erin
Good burn mo sa A
Igor.
mo ma.
Gabriel, sige na, Gab. Ano na yan? Isarado mo na. Isarado mo na. Tama na yan. Good morning. Good morning from us. One.
Ilang kanton tas tinapay. So, tinapay ko din wala. Okay lang, makal mo na may second. Mama, diba na kantan?
Sarap lang.
Anong dami?
Kakagising ko lang. Hey. Kakagising ko lang mula sa pagkapikit. Di naman ako inchik mamat. Kakagising ko lang. Ay. Sujata per se. Means promotion. What? Sigma again sleeping. Sleeping. Maharang yan. Kaya mo yan, harang.
Maharang?
Kaya nga kaya mo yan.
Baka may karni na grades na lang to.
Adi din na. Tay.
May grade ka.
Di ba, natalikod ako. Mas... Calm down, yes. I did. Yes. I did. Just ask. Salamat ni.
Dab.
I did. I follow my boss.
Dali ano do? Patakan mo daw, be. Patakan mo. Patakan mo daw, be. Tama na yun.
Ayaw, dito na lang parate.
Ay, iris daw.
Thank you, good girl.
Ah.
Ah, good girl. Yeah, may anak pala kayo, yes. May anak ako isa, lalaki. May anak isa. Get her to talk today, yes. Sigma ka ba? Anong ibig sabihin ng Sigma, boy? Sigma girl? Chan chan. Thank you for the 7 million people joining. Hi, James. Hi, James. Pinay tayo. James Martinez. Bro. Oo nga. Ano ibig sabihin ng Sigma? Hanap si... Yung Sigma ay sa Amerika. Ah, okay. Anong ibig sabihin nun? What means Sigma? Thank you for the thumbs up. Salam.
Hoy! Sakaliyan na.
Oo nga. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Sigma parang ibig sabihin ko.
Hoy! Lollipop na.
Ibig sabihin pogi. Bakit? Magaganda naman tayo ah. Mga pogi naman yung mga Pinay ah. Mas pogi pa. Mas maayos pa ang pagmumukha natin ni Charot. For real. For real. For real. Sakit tayo. Sakit tayo sa kanila. Proud Pinoy. Kaka. Sigma tayo. Ano? Sigma tayo. Sigma tayo.
Sobrang kabuokan.
Kakanto. Oo nga. Good morning, beautiful. Hi, Patrick Grafen. Kumusta? How are you? What the fa? What the heck? The Bros, Patrick. No. Where's our breakfast? Not yet breakfast. I'm fine.
Jen, animation.
Not yet. The breakfast ready. Thank you, Gab. Not you. Patrick from Bikini Bottom. So what's your plans for today? After live, I'm doing work.
Kaya kaya mo na may siya.
I go to work.
Yun, ito na siya.
Oo nga talaga. Oo nga naman. Oo nga talaga.
Ulit ha? Ay, hindi. Ay, pagura, kapay kayo lang. Ay, pagay sa niya.
Patrick. Pa-subscribe ako sa'yo. Thank you for sa subscribe sa Kona Domain Expansion 123. Thank you. What do you do at work? I'm BNS in our barangay. Ako din. Thank you, James Martinez. Salamat. Thank you so much for the subscribe. Thank you, guys. For thumbs up also. Kakagising ko lang. Kakagising ko lang mula sa pagkapikit. Di naman ako injik pero matay. Kakagising ko lang aking nanay. Daming trabaho.
Umali ka!
Madami talagang trabaho ang nanay. Malaban, linis ng bahay, alaga ng bata. Dami. Bye. Leave na po ako. Bye-bye. Bye, James. Ingat. That's all. I just stopping by to say hello. Thank you, Patrick Griffin. Thank you so much.
Ah! Ngayon pa yun sa likodan.
I thought Griffin is only in carton. I don't know. I don't know Griffin in cartons. Cheer it up. Cheer it up. Hi, Girl Cheryl. Hi, Mark. Bye. Bye, Sakana. Expansion 1, 2, 3. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye, Sakana.
Mabay. Oh, hindi ka magalit. Lahat. Lahat. Lahat.
Okay, baganda daw. Kung man yun na ano. I'm back. Back again.
Huh?
Sure, I'm no longer a mod. Yes. Sorry. Sorry, Mark.
Oh, baby!
No. Ha?
Sa dama. I'm scared spider.
Wow, okay.
Ihawan na lang nato ang ano nato tirapan para na. Ihawan na lang. Ito pala ako. Ubas na. Ako mag-init na dito.
Thank Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you so much, guys.
Paano gayat na binatang na ito, Bri?
After the other day, we don't want to turn disrespect.
Luto na.
Sasa Saskek, Serbia, Belgrade, Serbia, Serbia,
Mahali yun. Bahala ka nga.
Serbia, Belgrade. Okay. Good morning, love song. Really good. Europe, Europe. Love song 22. Hello. Oh, I'm fine. Love something. How are you?
Rin! Para mo na yun yung maglaro.
Good.
Bakit nadali na magluto?
Hello,
Kaya mo yan.
how are you? I'm fine. Thank you. Hello, Miss Carlos. Thank you for the
Ayun na yan.
thumbs up. Do you remember me, beautiful? No, I don't remember. I'm sorry. Where are you from, Miss Carlos? You look good today. Thank you.
Mahal na nga kamo. Kamatay sa iyo mga.
From Portugal. Thank you, Luis. Jose, Myanmar. Are you buying biscuit today? Or a roll? A roll? Bread.
Ito maganda.
Bread.
Kami.
Mark, hold up this with the channel share and subscribe.
Oh, ito mo.
Mark. Why Mark? Why?
Si Papa mo lang ito. Dito sa langit.
But your friend smart. Just man. Oh my God. Oh, Mark. Oh.
April, kaya ka ni Mamay! Bob, kaya ka ni Mamay, ako na dun.
I'm sad, Mark. Just
Nana! Kap! Di ako nagkukuha. Ah! Hey! Uy, masakwan. Balik ah.
ah.
Ados. Kasi ko lang ngayon.
Na, na.
Ano yung ang mga UTI? Ang ice cream din nakakita mo na ang ice cream. Ice cream. Hindi mo lang ang UTI. Kuya, hindi ka makinahaw? Ay, tuloy na. Sabi, tignan ko. Ayaw ko na. Bantay naman yung ang Bantay, atok na, Lina. Kumbali mo ko lang. May. Ma? Yeah. Ay, sigang.
Sa gitna ng pahawak. Ang ingay. Pagising ko lang. Pwede sa ano.
Gab ka na, Gab. Gab. Diyan. Oh, yan yung lana. Grabe yan nakikiyak. Sa akin, ano? Meron na lang. Huwag wala na. Tignan natin ang... Dito. Ayun ah. Pagkanay ko yan, oh. Wala! Huwag mo ito mag-setting. Pupunta kay kuya ko. Ayun. Ayun! Ako. Liliwan niyo. Nagpapang niyo. Ayun. Dili ko nga. Yan. Ibutang ko dito kay para mas tinig. Wala, pasikantan ka na pala. Wala, dalawa mo yun ha. Kay mama na lang yun. Uy,
Wow, kaigpason. Tipig ka. Oo na naman. Tapos ako na naman nagtipig.
ako! Sige, saba ka. Action! Ay, bahali ko.
Lagi daw ako sa to.
Kagita, waga. Ay, gusto din ate. Maghinatag yun. Wala, wag kita dyan. Ay, naparong na.
Oo naman. Imin!
Di ba yung dapat ko? Kanina.
Wala.
Dire. Gagagay mo nito. Magubos ka basa? Present sa emo dito.
What time over there?
Ayun.
Thank you for the thumbs up. Tsaka, yes, Central Time. Tubod ano? Ano rin natubod?
Ay, gabi.
5.
Alaga niya.
Kala naman, mabayaan naman yung na ano, makalat. Ay, 10. Dili natin yun. Welcome back. Thank you, Insan. Good morning. I see. I got confused because Michigan right now is 8 p.m. 8 p.m. I'm just 7 hours away if I'm not mistaken. It's 8 p.m. Oh, see. Kakain eh. Pansit Canton. Kain time. Noodles today. Noodles. Noodles pala, hindi model.
Ata ka dagab eh. Original na yung nagintuan ni dagab. Hindi, nagulang mo lang na dito niya.
Masarap niyan may egg. Minsan, hard-boiled. Oo nga eh. Sarap ng hard-boiled egg. Did men make that? Yeah. Yes. Meaning gun.
Boring. Ayun ko namin lang. Kaya kainin ako. Ano mo, kaya kumakmal lang. Oh, boring. Wala, sabi sila. Wala, sa likod. Sabi sila. Bis, wala ba niya? Wala na. Oh, boring. Hindi ba yung nag-gray, hindi pa niya dadaga? Ito yung sa may tubot. Nakain ko ba? Ay. Ang ganda ka. It's so boring. Aga mata tayo lang taha. Natarik pa yun. Pagaling daw. Bawal mo sila. Meron ka naman at tingin ko. Malibang sinugo ha. Diliyo na, sige. So boring. So boring.
Hello. Filipinos, cooks and dashes as well.
Yes, because that's boring.
Dishes.
Meron ka ba? Wait ka mo na. Wala sa bang ha. Taro. Kaya ako. So boring. Daaman ako sa baso. Oo, wala.
May ano pa, may.
Muro. Lumuhan mo kasi kami.
Shout out.
Babe.
Madanika Sorada. Welcome back, Madanika. Shout out. Shoutout sa'yo, Madanika Soreta. Pagising ko lang
Dati mo,
sa
uwan siya.
pagkatita.
Yung tayo ka ba?
Wala ko. Tita naman. Eh. Ah, meron sa A.
Meg! Ay, nag-iirap na.
Ayoko sana. Hi Sheryl, kumusta? Hi tita, kumusta? Okay lang. Kumusta po? Okay lang.
May magano ka. Ano ba? Tapos na. Period ka? Oo. Wow.
I'm good, you're pretty as always. Happy Friday. Thank you, tita.
Sa ano? Bintana?
Thank you so much.
Timigon? Sa mga bata?
Hello, tita.
Ay! Mga bata mo? Kung sinabi ito?
Wait
Ano
lang.
bunga ka? Lakad.
What's new? Any plans for the weekend? Just home at the weekend.
Walang mga rin.
Very short time. No plans for the weekend. Just stay at home.
Bakit? Dadaho yan. Di pa nga nila. Hindi pa nga nila.
Where's Tito, Tita? He's working now.
Doon. Ayaw mo doon.
And then Tito is in his office doing his favorite hobby, which is budgeting. Okay, the budgeting. Favorite hobby, budgeting. Oh, my favorite too. Oh, fun, my favorite too. We just finished dinner, loading the dishwasher right now. Okay. Thank you, Tita, for joining. Thank you so much. Cat. Yes, the cat. Tito loves numbers and money. I like spending it. Me too. Me too, Tita. I love spending. I feel you. Are you okay, Sure? Are you sick? No, I'm not sick. I'm okay. I'm okay, Tita. I look sick. I look real sick. Maybe. All girls do. All girls do. Thank you for the 15 thumbs up. Thank you so much. Like to spend. Okay, you seem low energy this morning. Yes, ano, low energy. She's mad at me. What? Mad at you. Minsan out na ako. I need to rest and sleep. Working naman bukas. Have a wonderful day, Insan, and good night. Thank you, Insan. Salamat sa sleep well, Insan. Thank you so much. Ingat ka dyan and God bless always. Stay healthy, stay young and beautiful. That's true, Tim. We usually buy stuff for the house and the kids, never for ourselves. True. True. Hi, and bye, Charity. That's true, Tita. I feel you, Tita. I have a motor now. Thank you, Tim. Cheryl needs to buy a new pair of shoes. Yes. Yes, I need to buy a new pair of shoes. I want new shoes. Daan-daan lang ako lagi. Thank you so much, Insan. You too. Stay beautiful. Salamat, Insan, sa pagpunta. Thank you so much. Hi, Tita. How are you? Bye for now. From siya. Thank you, Insan. Ika lagi. Team and Cheryl kasi sa makeup. Not worth. Wasting energy on small talk. This week, then I send her. I will buy shoes. She will get she will get shoes. Wow, lucky. I am lucky. Thank you. Hello, Lost Hero Games. Hi.
Hindi.
Ano yun?
Sobra.
Di nyo nalit?
Sino? Ay, makararigas po mo.
Sino makararga?
Hindi mo birthday. Nagkagpaka sa data.
Apa
Ah.
rin ka makita?
What shoes size are you? 5 or 6? My size. Tita. When you come here in the Philippines with Tito, pasalubong chocolate. If an extra budget, shoes. From your friend, we get a gold gel. Yes. Oh, I'm a size 7 or 8. Too bad. Oh, too bad. Sayang. Manita siyang ano ko eh. Palitang pa ako. Small feet.
Kaya kasi mo ko na yung natanggap. Ay, di kaya.
Yeah. Thank you, tita.
Kaya
Thank you. Yummy chocolate.
Ano, ano ko siya? Yan, makilabang ba yan eh? Transfer mo yun mo. Oh,
Thank you, tita. It's a different taste than USA. Not net. Canadian chocolate. Wow. But not. Not net. But not net. Not, it's a different. Okay. You're welcome. I will bring some chocolates from Singapore too. Wow. Wow. I'm excited na. I'm excited for the chocolates. Do you need a driver's license to drive a motorcycle? Yes. Yes, tita. Need ano. But here in it's okay to drive even without motorcycle. But it's more like a scooter. Yeah, a scooter. I need a scooter. Yes, tita, I need a driver's license to drive a motorcycle. Him buy me a second-hand motorbike. We are buying you one. Ha?
Right.
Wala man na dapat ka din?
Ayan. Ibabog na eh. Yung
Nagkanila sa kanya na aga.
right.
In your lecture, we are buying you. That's good. The freedom of driving is amazing. Yes. Have fun, Cheryl. Yeah, I will, Hello, tatay. My daddy.
Uy, dali yun!
You like shape.
Basta may patulog kayo sa niya. Marami meron sila sa niya. Oh! Sa niyo?
Look like him, daddy's little girl. Yes. I'm a daddy's daddy's girl. Daddy's girl.
No! Ay, dapat ba itong...
Hi, Steve. No, I'm not. Not yet married.
Alright.
But soon I will marry.
Masirang kali day, Grace. Hindi, Grace. Grace. Kasi Grace mo, kaya magayon no. Grace mo. Sige na, Grace. Oo.
Pansit masarap. Yes, I'm engaged. Not yet that. But soon I have a ring. Mesos song. When do the kids go back to school? June. Here, June 16. Go back to school, kids here. Elementary.
Pag pinag-gusto sa ng laban.
Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you, guys. July and August is summer break here. Yeah. Yeah. Different weather. Steve, you know her status. You know Steve, Tim? You know him? Kakagising ko lang. Guys. Thank you so much for the 17 likes and 6. People watching. What time is now? I need to prepare. I'm going work today. So lazy. This week. So I need to. Kailangan kong bumawi. You have no motivation to go work. No motivation. Oh yes, no motivation work this week. So lazy. So feel so lazy talaga. Katamad. Mabigat sa katawan. Na ano. Maybe because the period. Like for the whole week. Yeah, whole week. Whole week so lazy talaga. And just the ano, headache, the ano, so headache the house. Pagkagising ko lang mula sa pagkapikit. Naman ako inchik pero matay naninikik. Gigising ko lang, hey Zen. Like, I will travel, tita, when I have a motor na. I learn how to drive the motor. Then, I go somewhere, beautiful place here in Bicol. Sorsogon, here, most here in Sorsogon, where I live. I'm excited. Lots of people here work from home. Ah, okay, I did that for a year. It was great. So you work from home, tita? So I think I need to, I don't know if I'm going to, to receive. I don't know work. I don't know what's the offer work from home for me. Yes, after COVID. Ah, okay. Same here, and same here in Philippines. Work from home. Sige. But it's great. No hassle, no traffic, no travel, commute. Now you can make travel videos. Yes, I can make travel videos. Beautiful. The sea, the nature. Oh my God, I'm excited now. What are you saying about your AC? I said, Nano. Aren. Ano rin? I said when I'm going in America, there in USA, what work from home can offer for me? I do. I want to work. Hi, Greg. Thumbs up dan maganda, Sheryl. Thank you, Greg. Thank you for joining. She will use it for work, so she doesn't have to walk so much. Yes. Hello, everyone. Yes, because I walk a lot here. If I'm having a motorcycle, it's easy for me to go somewhere.
January, ito pa nila.
Ah,
Paano doon yung sara,
nabala kita sa... Ha?
Ano doon yung sara, malarga na doon. Ay, padagat na sa tita Mailan yan. Bag ka.
Hindi mo na umapod. Kaya pag mapadagat man kita pag ni tita mo basyon.
Overnight.
Oh, ma-overnight kita. Akay, maupod man ako. Kung diri ka kaupod.
Kupad ka tas ka.
Diri man bawal man yun. Kay diri man sira, in-invite man lang sira ni Tito Uwan. Kay birthday ni Tito Uwan, kami mo din Tito Jerry, in-invite man lang sira. Hi Greg from Tita. Hello Tita, I just woke up again. Learn. That's why I'm buying it for her to make her work easier. Thank you, Tim. Diri, hatagin Mayla. Birthday daw ni Manayuan. Napadaragat sila. It's good to drive when it's raining or super hot outside. Beautiful as always. Thank you, Ryan.
Kaluwang ko nini, hali. Kaliwan. Breda, kay Besli ko na. Di mga rarigot.
Yan? Ada di kereta.
Body birthday kahapon yan lang makarigo.
Abad.
Sige rason.
Mahila. Yung pahatag ni Manayuan.
Kapit ka.
Ayan ka. Ano po gawa.
Exit mo na. I'm sleepy. Have a good night. Morning. Bye-bye, tita. I ended live na. Everyone, thank you so much for everyone. Thank you so much, tita. Greg. Everyone here. Joining me. Mark, thank you. Sam, thank you, Sam. My Sam, I love you. Honey, Steve. Where's that? Where is he coming here now? Lots of hair games. Thank you so much. Ta, thank you, Insan. Love Sang Kitty too. Sakona, James.
Rapude.
Ikaw naman maano. May job. Ayan. Lord, maano ko sa may job.
Wala, intero ka ma hanggang yun ha.
Uy! Wala yan.
Thank you for the
Magkabang
thumbs
ini si Ninete.
Ano na ako? Nakadulo.
Magkamang ini si Dilla o Gabriela si Ila.
Si Men and si Gab.
Mahiranon ina Gabriela. So, mahiranon na apil. Ito nahahala sa'yo. Ganisog na.
Wala ka na daw.
Thank you so much.
Dahil ako babangsin ko ang Sara, ang tinidor ka nakaubot na lihon. Ay, wala sulod. Ah.
I'm from Perth. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.